Hey everyone, in this next section, we're going to cover Algokit Utils, which is a powerful library that simplifies building on Algorand by providing high-level utility functions on top of the Algorand SDK. So whether you're configuring network clients or managing accounts or sending transactions, or even calling and deploying smart contracts, Algokit Utils handles all of it with a clean and type-safe API to save you time and reduce errors. It's available in both Python and TypeScript, so you can choose the language that best fits your project. And it supports seamless network switching between LocalNet for testing, TestNet for staging, and mainnet for production, all with smart and intuitive defaults to keep things straightforward. Let me show you a quick code example to illustrate just how simple it really is. Starting with TypeScript, first you import the Algorand client from the Algokit Utils package. Then you spin up a client for your local network in one line. And from there, sending a payment transaction is as easy as defining the from account, the to address, and the amount in microalgos. So you can see there's no need to manually set up transaction parameters or worry about low-level details. The library takes care of signing, submitting, and confirming the transaction for you. Now, if Python's more your style, it's equally straightforward. Import Algorand client, initialize it for LocalNet, and here, instead of sending a payment, we're creating an asset with a few parameters. So you can see Algokit Utils really abstracts away a lot of the complexity so you can focus on your app's logic. But that's really just scratching the surface. Algokit Utils also shines in areas like asset and account management. For smart contracts, it provides tools for easily deploying apps, generating type-safe clients for those apps, and you can even use it to query the blockchain to look up account info and transaction details. So stick around because in this next section, we'll be walking through each of these features step by step.